Mood lighting.
Sexy lights.
Don't be gross. Well, you better get moving then.
I know.
You're sick. Say good morning.
Morning, but I can't talk, I'm busy. Trying to flip eggs with a fork.
It's finally so warm and sunny. So we're gonna do some boat projects today. Luke started working on rewiring the nav lights. So we're gonna go buy some new ones because they are full of water and they're the old style bulbs. So we'll get some new bulbs, get that done. Maybe buy some paint for our mast because it's corroding on the bottom.
No, pick up another sail that the seller found in his garage. Another sail to try and find a home for.
I hope it's small.
It is. It's smaller than the Jib.
Oh, good. I saw the cutest baby otter on the dock this morning rolling around like a little kitten. It was so cute. So I posted a little Instagram story. So go follow the Instagram if you haven't already.
Nah.
So we just picked up the sail from the previous owner, but he wasn't home, so he just left the sail. He just left the sail outside for us. And Luke had a question for him, but he wasn't home, and so now we're still not sure about this question.
We have to go Google ball cocks and see what happens.
So he's talking about switching from one water tank to another on the boat.
It's a valve of some kind, but...
And he had mentioned something about ball cocks, and then Luke was distracted by by the word ball cock, so now he still doesn't know. So if anybody knows what a ball cock is, let us know. See you at the front.
Yeah.
So he's gonna wire up the bow navigation lights, and then I'm gonna attempt my hand at wiring the lights up in our bedroom, the new lights that we just got for our V-berth.
Okay, so I'm just trying to change the port and starboard nav lights up on the bow from old crappy bulbs, and I took the cover off and the thing was full of water, so figured we should just get new ones and can get LEDs. Too close. It's gonna take forever.
So Luke's still working on the nav lights out at the front. And I can't really do much there, so I figured I would start on the lights in the cabin. Got the soldering gun warming up.
I'll just hold the light. Okay. Perfect. Alright, grab an iron. Except use the tip of the iron, it's hot. Hottest.
Alright. Spread it like a peanut butter jelly.
Looks good from here. Ready?
Oh yes I am. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Blue.
Oh,
it's really blue.
Mood lighting.
Sexy lights.
Don't be gross.
Much nicer.
Oh my gosh. It's like...
How much brighter that is.
It's, yeah, easy on the eyes.
Crabbing has never worked this good for us. We didn't know you weren't supposed to bring them back to the boat, but rather size them on the spot. A silly mistake on our part, but now we know for next time. We tossed all but 4 back.
Holy Toledo! Yeah, you did well.
Yeah. Good time for crabbies. I'm better than that guy. You're lucky.
Here, this is
Oh,
cute.
so cute.
I don't know.
You.
Right in the back.
Oh no, one of them lost their pincher in the cage.
Oh no!
He wanted it so badly.
Oh my gosh! That poor little guy.
I'm kidding.
Come here.
Yeah.
That guy had me. Yeah, you.
So we just caught a bunch of crab and we're having canned salmon for dinner. We're too lazy to cook the crab right now, and we don't even have a pot big enough to cook the crab right now. It's at our trailer, so.
It's just so fun to be able to go paddle out from our boat and go pull up crabs whenever we want. Cost me $3. It would be nice to have a real dinghy though, so we didn't have to try and balance crab cages on my paddleboard.
So as you know, I'm not a chef or a baker, but I am a broiler.
Every time you say that, I think of
A chicken?
a chicken.
I'm a broiler chicken.
I'm a broiler. I'm not a layer, I'm a broiler.
I also lay, so we're gonna have salmon melts.
Salmon melts.
Salmon melts.
Salmon. Ow.
Oh, jeez. There's otters going crazy out here.
Yeah. That was crazy. The otters, when they're mating, they don't look like they have fun. I couldn't get these 2 lights to work, so I did some testing and everything looked fine. But then I was like, okay, well, let's pull this junk out and see if anything's loose. So I did that, and nothing was loose, but I decided to rebuild it anyways, add a new wire, and now they all work. Winning!
While he's winning over here,
You're winning over there.
well, no, I'm not really winning over here. We bought the boat 6 weeks ago, maybe. We still haven't done the registry for our boat, so I'm trying to do that right now, but I have no idea how to be an adult and fill out forms like this, so it's all just very time consuming, and I don't know what half of these words mean, and so we're probably going to end up calling our lovely broker, who will help us out, I'm sure. Oh, and we got a new one for the kitchen. I'll show you the old one. It's pretty gross. Ew, hideodorous light that was in here before. We got similar style, these ones, but oh, it's so beautiful. For above the kitchen, and it has brighter settings and off.
Shut this off.
So today I finally got my boating basics book. So I'm going to read this and then take the exam and hopefully get my PCOC, because I still don't have it. Luke got his online a few weeks ago and I just haven't had time to sit in front of the computer for 3 hours, with work and stuff. It's been busy, so now I have the book. I can study on my own and hopefully pass it, and then I will be more knowledgeable than I am now. So that's the first step for me, and then we have to take the, what's it called? Not
The radio course.
VHF.
VHF radio.
I was gonna say VHS.
Nope. Okay. Joe, what do you want to know?
Everything.
What is this? 1, 2, and 3.
Lines.
No. There's only 2 sheets.
Oh, wait. No. Those aren't the halyards. The halyards are those at the back, aren't they? Or I mean the front?
Oh.
Well, they're marked as halyards.
Yeah. What does a halyard do? Come look.
A halyard pulls up the mast.
Yeah. And then down the mast, they pull whatever up.
But there's no
That's because we don't have them. It's the staysail. The staysail up, they pull bosun's chair up. Nothing that we need right away.
The jib is easy to understand because I can see it's got 2 sheets that pull it out onto either side and then 1 to bring it in. But there's just so much going on. And this is boom bang.
Boom bang. That's not. That's all part of the traveler.
Oh, right.
That's the traveler. The boom can come way out here.
Oh, just so that the ropes will be, or lines, sheets. I still don't know the difference between lines and sheets.
These are sheets.
Oh.
Jib sheets.
Jib sheets.
We got a lot of learning to do.
Oh my gosh. These.
These? Not sure what they're called, but I know what they do. They're just extra, basically extra backstays for the mast. I think mainly for going downwind, so you can just have more stuff holding your mast from snapping off.
Right. But there's just so much going on.
It's not that much.
Sure.
All of our sailing friends are gonna laugh at this. They're all gonna say, "You need to take the basic cruising course."
We're working on it. It costs money, okay? We just spent a lot of money on this boat. If we're giving any misinformation or we're wrong about everything, please let us know. We probably are very wrong.
Probably are.
We need to take the basic cruising course.
Yes.
Let's say a thanks. Call this the end.
Thanks to who?
To everyone for watching our episode.
Thanks to everybody
Well,
in the universe.
So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Soon, hopefully, we'll be able to take the boat out sailing. So, keep watching. It will get more interesting.
Yeah,
right now, we're just, learning.
And possibly have a chance to support us on Patreon soon.
In the future, we're looking at that, possibly. You all know what BOAT stands for. So, it's expensive, but it's very worth it. We're so happy, even just to be at the dock, so.
The end.